Welcome guys. In this video I'm going to show you how you can complete the mirror puzzle in LEGO Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight. Riddle me this part. So basically what we need to do is take this little teddy bear, then just pick up and place it where you see on the mirror. So I'll place it right here, and as you can see, this is completed. Now we need to complete the second mirror puzzle. So basically just go right here and you'll see how you can do that. So I will take this one and put it right here. Now I need to find the light, so the light should be right here. I will take it and put it right here. It should be right here. Okay, just pick up, jump, so just break those blocks, and now just pick up and basically place right here. Alright, now we need to complete the third puzzle. As you can see, now we need to take a boombox and the light. Okay, so I will take the old light and just add it right here. And right here, near the shelves, you'll find the boombox. So now just add right here to the mirror and you'll be good to go. And as you can see,